Hi, I'm Alice and I'm with Hernando County Photographers, and today we just had our first nature photo walk. Be sure to check us out on our Facebook page, Hernando County Photographers, and join us for our next event. Weeki Wachee Preserve, and we had a great time. My name is Alice.
Donna.
I'm Mike.
I'm Victor.
And today we really had a lot of fun.
We did. We saw everyone else's vision,
which is important because we share that vision too as well. We had the same ideas.
We took pictures too.